Bam! Here it is, guys. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 is a mystery item for today's video. I recently just picked up this puppy here, and it just replaced my Series 8, which has certainly taken a beating here for quite some time over the last, I don't know, 2, 3 years, at least 3 years plus. And yes, you can see it has taken quite a beating here. It is an aluminum casing on the Series 8, and I put a case on it some time ago, and what that ended up doing is just ended up catching a bunch of rocks, ended up scratching the aluminum pretty much. So after a while, I just decided to rock it naked with this Nike Sport Band, which was my tried and true for the longest time. You probably have seen it in previous videos here and there, but you know, it was due time for an upgrade. I do like typical classic watches, automatic watches, digital watches, but I'm also into smartwatches. I'm not someone that has to like beat down on smartwatches just to highlight other watches or vice versa. I just enjoy the products out there, and I'm deep into the Apple ecosystem, so clearly, obviously, I'm going to enjoy something that syncs well with my iPhone, with my Mac, where I got notifications that I can check at a glance. You know, I use the workout features a lot, going for walks, runs, intensive workouts, different sports, pickleball, you name it. I absolutely love that feature. And there are tons of features that the new Apple Watch has that I'm not necessarily going to do an in-depth review because I'm not necessarily, I would say, the most techie YouTuber out there. I know there's plenty of deep dives on the Apple Watch Ultra 3. I'll give you my pointers, right? So give you guys a ballpark. And of course, you guys can continue your research from there. I will have a link down below if you guys are interested in checking it out. I did buy it with the, I believe this is the titanium Milanese loop is what it's called. So the watch goes for $799. That's $800 before tax. And this band alone is made out of titanium, which is pretty nice, pretty sweet. I mean, just looking at every single piece, how they connected it all together, it's just a very beautiful thing to look at. We got a titanium little clasp here to unlock, pulling back and just reconnecting as such. I go ahead and take it off so you guys can get a better view here. I got the large band. There's a medium band and a small band. It clips on nice and smooth like this. Doesn't disengage by accident, because even if you hit one, you have to do both at the same time just to be able to disengage. And if you wanted to adjust it, right, it's very easy to do. All you have to do is unclamp this side, and then you can easily slide, right, this part of the handle more or less in order to get the right grip, the right size for your wrist or what have you. So there's a closer look. I like that obviously it looks very dressy, very classy, very formal, but also has a lot of breathing room. Like it actually breathes well. So far, it's breathing pretty well on the wrist, not getting too sweaty or anything like that, because there's obviously a lot of gaps and holes, right, all throughout the actual design. So absolutely makes it pop really good. And it goes well with the silver or natural titanium finish on the Ultra 3. You can also get it on a blacked out version with DLC. Why didn't I go for that one? Well, I would if I have unlimited funds, but I'm more of a sucker for monochromatic colors. You guys already know. So this silver one looks nice. A little pop of orange on the radio button or crown button looks good. And then the orange here on the action button is pretty sweet. So it actually has a built-in speaker that works really nice. It can play music from the speaker, which is nice. We have a multitude of faces. This one here is pretty good with the wayfinder. It has a feature where you can find your last waypoint or where you park your car or what have you, along with a little compass right here on the bottom corner. I'll just walk you through some of the ones I've set up so far. So I have that one. I have the modular Ultra. This one shows all the seconds going around the edge of the watch face. We have your activity rings. I have sunset time, you know, what the forecast looks like. Got outside temperature. I can have the waypoint active right here in the middle, and then I have my battery on the top right. Been using it for a minute. I think I've charged it once or twice, but the battery on this thing is actually really solid. I'm managing to get like 2 to 3 days out of it, whereas before it was like a daily charge on my Series 8, which is again outdated by now. I got this next face that also looks pretty good with all the seconds going all around here. We got a timer for 30 seconds, which I use a lot to stand and sit on my desk. Got the battery, workout, and my activity rings. These are all different complications on every corner that you can customize from a variety of different items. I have a more clean design right here with the numbers going around the edge. I have just the day of the week in my activity rings on a more analog style watch, a little bit more dressy. I like this one a lot. This one looks very, very classy. It'll go nice with the leather strap, which I have on the way. I'll be getting soon here. But again, this titanium one just really goes well with everything pretty much. And last but not least, I have some sporty bands on the way, and this Nike face right here is going to look pretty good with that. I have my heart rate monitoring at the top. I have my weekday and day of the month. I have my activity rings and my steps here on the bottom left. Obviously, we have heart rate monitoring and a whole slew of features, which again, I'm not going to do a deep dive video. Maybe I can do that in the future if you guys are interested. But just doing a quick little overview, right? This is how excited I am to make videos for you guys. 99 beats per minute after being high on coffee, you know what I'm saying? and getting stabbed by a knife, you know? So yeah, just a good old day here at the Miguel EDC channel. Typical stuff. But yeah, needless to say, I'm excited for this one to be my daily new smartwatch. I'm excited for it. Let me know your thoughts on the Apple Watch Ultra 3, if you rock one yourself. If you're into smartwatches, what is your preference? Do you rock maybe a different brand outside of Apple? Do you do Samsung? Do you do Garmin, right? Any other brands? Let me know your experience, what it has been. I've been rocking an Apple Watch for, I don't know, the last 10 years at least, if not more. So let me know your thoughts on it. And of course, link down below if you guys are interested in checking it out.